Dear students, in this session I will give a brief description of the functions of money. Now, we classify the functions of money into primary functions and secondary functions. Primary functions and secondary functions. We classify the functions of money into primary functions and secondary functions. Among the primary functions, there are two functions. One is medium of exchange. Medium of exchange. The first one is medium of exchange. It is a function well known to us all because we all use money for transactions. The advantage of using money as a medium of exchange is that it helps us to overcome the problem of double coincidence of funds. Double coincidence of funds. Double coincidence of funds. By splitting an exchange into two. One is a sale and another one is a purchase. One is a sale, the other one is a purchase. And as it is simple and known to you, the problem associated with the double coincidence of funds in the case of barter, exchange of commodities for commodities, etc. I am not explaining this in detail. And remember this, for money to serve as a medium of exchange, it must possess general acceptability. If and only if money possesses general acceptability, it can serve as a medium of exchange. The second primary function is a measure of value. Money is used as a measure of value, or it is a unit of account. That is, all values are measured in money terms, and price of a commodity is nothing but value measured in money terms. And it is known to you. And unit of account or measure of value function is very important in a monetary economy where everything is, the prices or the value of everything is measured in money terms. And when something is used to serve as a measure of value, it is natural that to express values, to make contracts, and to keep accounts in terms of that something. So, if money is used as a measure of value, we use money to express values, that is prices of commodities. Make contracts, contracts are made in money terms, and also to keep accounts. Accounts are kept in the form of money. So, remember this, as a measure of value, money is highly useful for economic circulations. And this is also a point which is familiar to you, so I am not explaining this in detail. Also remember this, as a consumer, as a producer, as an economic agent, we always use money as a measure of value. Now we consider the secondary functions. Secondary functions are derived from primary functions. One is store of value. Store of value or store of wealth. And remember this, under barter system, store of value was in terms of commodities. And it is known to you that store of value in the form of commodities is not a very easy procedure, as many commodities are bulky. A lot of space will be required and many commodities will perish, etc. But money serves as a good store of value. Need not be in the form of currency notes. You can store value in the form of demand deposits. The second one is standard of deferred payments. Standard of deferred payments. Standard of deferred payments means to make and give credit. And you know that credit is the lifeblood of a capitalist economy. A modern capitalist economy depends on credit. For millions of transactions, payments are not immediate. For example, if you order something, you can make an immediate payment, or you can make the payment when the product reaches your home. Or if there is a contract between two persons, payment will happen only in the future. So it is a standard of deferred payments, credit, debt, etc. And third one is transfer of value. Transfer of money is used as a means of transferring value from one person to another person, in the form of money order, in the form of bank drafts. And you know that in modern times a lot of instruments are available for transferring value from one person to another person, like internet banking, e-payments, NEFT, check, draft, money order, so many other means are available for transferring value from one person to another person, one place to another place, one time to another time. So these are the functions of money, and my description is very brief, as this is very easy and familiar to you.